I needed a versatile power strip to replace multiple ones under my desk. This did the job. I only have one power strip that does the job of multiple ones. Accommodates different plug types and sizes and has multiple USB ports. Great deal and very fast delivery. This power strip is a powerhouse with its many electrical plug-ins to fully support your remote workstation. This powerhouse includes 4 smart USB slots, and 1 USB-C slot. FYI. The USB slots are smart and a corded keyboard and/or mouse that is not a smart model will not work. I tried. Either way, this powerhouse strip is worth the investment. It's sturdy, not flimsy with a strong cord. There are 12 total electrical plugs for you to utilize. Reasonably priced too, and the product as described arrives sooner than expected. Thank you. I will definitely look out for more deals with this seller. All of my chargers will easily fit. Good layout and versatile. Cord length good, as well. Great for the money. 6 feet cord is great unlike other products with very short cable which you need extension cord. The 12 input plus USB-C and USB feature are great feature of this item. And I got the price at discount $16. Great value for money. Have brought a second unit due to the ease and different items I can plug in at once USB or regular plug. The only fault I have is way the screw holes are made for attaching to the wall. Most electrical sockets are about 1 foot from the floor. I wanted this 2700 joule surge suppressor to attach to the wall behind my computer as shown in the photo. It would have been better for me if the arrangement was for the cord to come out of the bottom. I like the switch so that I can shut down my whole system at night. The main reason I chose this model is because of the 2700 joule rating, which is very good for my computer system. So far, I've only had this surge protector for a week and it's already proved its worth through 2 storms, one with power surges in my home. It's working great. The extra USB ports are helpful too. I needed a power strip, surge protector for my spare bedroom electronics. I like the flat wall plug TV stand is closer to the wall, 2 large adapter plugs, and many other available inputs. Surprisingly, it swallowed all my equipment. I'm far less worried about everything plugged in now. I liked everything about this product. It can charge any device that you have and at the same time is an excellent power source for any appliance or device that you have. I definitely recommend purchasing this surge protector. So I ordered this to replace a smaller version in my kitchen. It allows me to plug more things in. The only thing I didn't know and was super excited about was the USB-C plug. That was very helpful. Click link in description for more reviews.